Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies without brown sugar. You can easily substitute granulated white sugar for brown sugar in most cookie recipes. For a similar depth of flavor, simply add 1 tablespoon of molasses for every 1 cup of white sugar you use. Remember to keep an eye on your baking time, as the texture might be a little different, but the results will still be wonderfully chewy and sweet. Getting your ingredients ready is key. Always use softened, unsalted butter. It creams beautifully with sugar, creating that perfect cookie base. Room temperature eggs also mix in more smoothly, preventing your batter from separating. And a pro tip, always whisk your dry ingredients together in a separate bowl first. This ensures even distribution of leavening agents, giving you consistent, delicious cookies every time. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy baking ideas. And speaking of easy, imagine reading all your favorite cookie recipes anywhere, even by the pool. You can with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for following along without getting your cookbook messy. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For perfectly shaped cookies, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes is a game changer. It helps prevent excessive spreading. Always use parchment paper on your baking sheets for easy cleanup and to ensure your cookies don't stick. Once baked, let them rest on the hot baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. This helps them set and prevents breakage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.